What's up, y'all? How to earn money with the new Temu app. So there will be a link down below so you guys can join in. And the first link will be the first link will be download Temu, and the second one will be to join the affiliate program. And once you sign there, you will get your $10 for free. And you can just do the withdrawal just right there if you really need it of $10. So first you're gonna want to go ahead and sign up using the link down below to get your first $10. And then you want to come over here and click earn credits and scroll on the bottom. It's a cash affiliate program. And once you're here, as you see, I already earned $15. Just people downloaded the app. And basically what you will do, you click where it says you can earn and click here and just copy share this link to your friends. So once your friends use that link to make a purchase or to download the app, you get $5. Okay, so you can just go ahead and do this, copy link, go ahead and open up your Snapchat and just take a picture. So once you take a picture of your Snapchat, go ahead and just paste that link here, because that will make them to come to your videos. So just go ahead and type something like that. Make extra $10 with this app. Okay, and just leave it like that and just post that to your friends. So once you post that to your friends, right? Once you post that to your friends, they'll be able to click on it to just swipe and download the app. Once they download the app, you can do this every single day, and you make a little of $128 within 3 days. That's what I did. So if you guys think this method will help, make sure you guys join the affiliate program. The link will be down below. I'm just inviting you guys to join it. And by the way, you get your first $10. So you just need 10 more to withdraw it. That's it. So go ahead and comment down below if you guys are really willing to do this, and let me know if this video works for you guys, and make sure you guys subscribe for more content just like this.